Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Echabalemesa okute edini lwaki empeta teyayala okuwempeta tayina njawulo nnyo na mukazi atali wampeta
tebayina njawulo bayina njawulo okuwempeta beera wampeta
singa kyali gundi enolo nti omwana w'omukazi atali wampeta tasika buli omu yalisabye empeta
naye tekiri mulo gwosalawo abaana ani akusikira oba wampeta oba si wampeta
kakati like way
nanyini baana yasala
era ali mugibale ng'ogisaba oba ng'ogikolera. If the opposition and the supporters of government get the same facilities, then how will the opposition have the urge of taking power?
Kuba kiri mu Uganda
universal primary education,
universal secondary
education, Museveni omwana wasoma universal secondary, neyevumye Museveni omwana waso emyoga neyevumye Museveni afuna. Where will the opposition get the urge? Musungu chibwe bayina
mulimu na opposition abali ennyo okusinga
akajola ka UPC ngo wadipya akafunako akakumbi kabwe nga okafunako
nga
badi batesene UPC branches mu factories workers places nga to reach a certain level. Uganda asked the bishops, the Anglican bishops, how could one become a headmaster in Western Uganda or a bishop if he was not a UPC person?
Muyupisi byalinga nemi nibyina ari mbyo kila mtu anakula
abuto kutukira mu kisaawe abena abantu kakati Mesa ali France
ali PSG
ena ali mujizanyanga musambi wa mupira
lero li Barcelona ejo li PSG
ekyo kyemanyi okujja kongo ofunye kitu ita accidental benefits. Accidental benefits kitegeeza you wouldn't get tibyabadde bibyo
kyakutumede
nga gole nga defender yetebi
own goal bajita own goal
naye bajibalya kumwe
erebera yabali bateka competition bagamba nti defender wano yetebi it's an accidental goal bali bawo
arrogant batero kubuza he's making a lot of noise, doesn't have a salary eya million yemu ojogera mu bantu oba nasale yogera omusala bwenfuna gogere nobody can mention my salary
tebagumanyi
embarrasses them
salary yo mpaso me
doesn't have a gente kama mafuta you say munyabo nyizo gena na yo omukuru wesebere muganti attend a deposited check is a problem to me,
you see.
Yes
baba gira bange tuse
ate ekola chi
ejide museni
inte wanya butawanya
wagira bange tuse toli abanja
godera baba sajja
avuga ya state house
abantu bonna bagala okuza abantu bonna bagala okuzala abalongo nalabyo bayine emikisanga agamba nti oba only 60% of the twins bazalibwawa mu Africa naye tulaba omusajja adduka emisinde alisa abalongo mu ddwaliro ng'ate omulala ayagala bwa Saalongo nze olyako nga bampita Saalongo
abasajja amazaala balongo nobaga nti omukazi yazadde balongo
nateekayo nze olyako nga bakimpita
tumulaba mu ddwaliro nobaga nti omukazi wuli bamalese mu ddwaliro yazadde balongo
kakate gwe mirundi oli Saalongo naye si ba mukazi wa waka naye bamuyite Naalongo takubajjula embazze mutwe
omukazi wa waka atabazaala
baliwa Naalongo leeta abalongo tulereko beri ononya kubambula ennyondo mutwe
nsoma wa
Museveni survival instinct.
Okay ndemu kisabo cha tambale mirundi kyabaita from crown prince to commoner how Museveni defeats his enemies tebo chunulia wano ku cover page kuliko Kakuru Tumukunde kuliko Mugisha Muntu kuliko Bidandi Sali kuliko ne Kano Dr. Kiza Besije lwaje batekako
negundi nemba bazinga ava mu motoka
na mama mbaba saba uno wano wagulunga ava mu motoka ina naba mukuma tambale kisabo ya chwandika gina kusomeza 2 mu July wa 2014 ekitabo kikawa ku page 41 I have pointed out earlier that Museveni's opponents and confidants lack the clear conception of him. He is like a card player who tightly holds his cards to his chest and pulls out surprises every turn he moves. Or like a host who hides the menu from the visitors. Visitors will keep guessing what the next dish would be. These are some of the attributes of a guerrilla politician. So fearful of betrayal that he is very mean with his future plans. I can confidently state that nobody is fully privy to Museveni's future plans. Such a leader is very difficult to understand and very difficult to fight out of power. This is because he does not base his political survival capability on anybody but himself. He ensures that his political personal survival instincts are at play all the time. Therefore, no defection can undermine his government, even if there comes a misunderstanding between his people or say confidence and a defect. They do not go with vital information about his future plans. This explains why none of the defectors to date have ever weakened his regime. In fact, they end up weakening themselves. Milton Obote, for example, never carried out
psychology.
Psychology.
Master of reverse psychology. Museveni master of reverse psychology.
Okay, Museveni the master of reverse psychology. Look page 46. I believe at page 41, 42. Reverse psychology simply means the duping of your political opponents into unconsciously doing what affects their political interests. Take for example, Semogere's utterances in 1996 presidential elections. He threatened to dissolve local councils because, among other reasons, their executives were shunning his campaign rallies. The movement quietly encouraged him to go on. This he also threatened to do away with the village local security system where the defense secretaries and the regular intelligence agencies like ISO. Such statements uttered in the presence of your political rivals will be pleasant to their ears. This seems to create support for you when you are undermining yourself. But this would only be a ploy to encourage you into deeper self-destruction. This is when reverse psychology works at its best, a game at which Museveni is a first-class player. In 2006 elections, Dr. Kizza Besigye almost expressed similar sentiments as Dr. Kizza Besigye had done earlier in 1996, 10 years later. And he was continuing doing so after elections by leading the opposition attacks on Museveni's land allocations to investors. What this means is that they are paging the future of investors on Museveni or the NRM. But this implies that since the future of investors is hooked to the NRM and Museveni survivor, then two interests have common front to fight for: the investors themselves to have and ensure continuity of their current leadership in power. And the international scene, the opposition has failed to separate the national interests from Museveni's personal ones. When the government sponsored the Terrorism Act of 2003 and enacted it in Parliament with vehement support from the US government, the opposition openly opposed it. This exposed them as being a variance with the international interests, and thus making it easier for the international players to support Museveni. On the development policy matters, the opposition has dismissed universal primary education as a non-starter. For an ordinary Ugandan who could not educate his children up to a primary one, UPE and USE are among the best human policies introduced by any government in Uganda's history. Other policies like Bonaba Gagawale that are trashed by the opposition show that the insensitiveness to the people's socio-economic feelings. In fact, among the downtrodden people, whoever attacks UPE, which opened out opportunities for their children into the literate world, is an enemy who should be condemned. Remember also that our opposition opposed the Somali mission, which has given Uganda international recognition. They also oppose our interventions at the neighboring countries to secure our borders. Kati ambadde ngenda ku why Winnie played
ngabyo kitegedde nti bwoba olwanyisa Museveni
kati wano master of psychology ajja mu Afghanistan.
Is he pursuing his own interests or national interests? a country must have national interest to pursue beyond its borders. Kakati gwe gamba timpaka nyo kugende Congo. Abayina abaana abayeka bw'ekikyambo obeera nabo. Abasajja abareading okuva Congo ne balumba Kasese. Abe Kasese bakuwagira. Ng'olumbye ekintu eki. 2. If you oppose nganganda buyagante buli mujasa afire so
amalira kenkoko
nabagamba the country that cannot sacrifice its children for overseas or domestic interests is not a country. This way China fares badly. Whatever come China alwana ebweru
aba China tebatera nnyo kubeera bweru banne wamachova bawangula
nenga America azala abana babiri ne bafire Iraq ne bayita basiru. Duaja America a commander wa NATO of America, an American general. Send the weapon of NATO is an American weapon. But it have just a mitwale itan. France in years, Bungeza later Kukumune to Iraq economy nego. So, we know Kumanya. Is this money pursuing his national, his personal wound? Until delay you to me on Nabacone, and go no man at Yalisomi. Yono omusajja ye alwana n'okulwana president yagamba nti abasajja bamugamba nti sebo ine ekizibu nti ekizibu ki abaana baffe abaali bagoba ebinyonyi ebiri omukyere gwaffe bonna wabatwala ku ssomero. Museveni yagamba nti ayipulidi giriti munonya amakubo amalala agagoba abaana balina okusoma. You see kakati gwe kuva the two ani ategeera okusinga munne. Nalaba MP State House nagamba president, Your Excellency, when I visited Kalamoja recently, I found the youth were very what? She said what? They are very what? Why don't you allow cattle rustling at least twice a month? My sister, let us create activities for these youth who are idle. But cattle rustling has gone. Ono leader wabachi mutumie
wamma mujukira nange
tugambire Museveni wachi tubeku nte mu mwezi omulundi emirundi ebiri
Museveni akirize
anti bali bayido ewafendese abana bali yayido
kakati wachite bafuneyo okukulunako
so kakati boganti landi bonanza moneta ichitanga Museveni landi bonanza. Then what you are saying, you are pegging the survival of these people who have acquired land in Uganda on Museveni survival. Kubabu ataba umubi bajjako. You reverse psychology. I dupe you into doing something thinking that you are undermining me when you are undermining yourself. Kubaga akati whoever opposes the Afghanis is saying that if I was in the power I wouldn't help you, Mr. Biden.
So Biden okudukira President Museveni kiyamba nnyo kitutasa n'eggwanga
kakati mumwine ebintu ebiri which you are overlooking. The riskier the deal, the higher the dividends.
Kiri risk kitegeeza okuleta aba
these people mwina gonde mwina administration one enjaba jja kumeritinga mugende mu Kisenyi obukiiko obuliko basomali kubanga for you ensi yamwe. First of all, I must understand to the why do I have extended family? I was brought up in my brother's family. Africa don't have a national security fund. Erakati baba kubi mu national security fund lwansonga eryemu nti mwayagala okuba mu civil service ne mwogera emyaka mitono kati bakutuma birth certificate n'emyaka gyo tebifaanagana anti bakugaye nti amaze emyaka bwegiti ngaddayo n'engalabi nti babbi learn now to make documents ntinze
kubanga bolimba okufuuka faza
sakola nze musomero nga sikola bibuuzo kya ABC bwogwa A tebagolola B na C
multiple questions multiple choice.
What's the explain the diagram above. Kakati nyonyi wenogani nti motoka kati bagenda kubuza ine emipiira emeka etambulira wa kino tebagolola kirala. You've already fixed yourself.
Walimba emyaka olupanga tuyagala kuva mu civil
service. kati be corresponding na national identity card yo tebi corresponding bali sibe bakubye learn how to be accurate. Ndi waliwo omusajja bamuyita Nkugwa yagamba nti yasomera Kisubi mu technical school banene bamuwabira teri yalaba Nkugwa Kisubi naye yagenda mu UNEB n'akakaati kamwe erinnya lye mu Kisubi
nenga yasomera yo
yajijja n'akola endala ati yasomera waliwo yamulabako
tena yoba obi
teri yagamba waliwo omusajja wana ali Flambo yanti yalimbanga nti yasomera Kitovu nga yasomera mu kasomero kabi St Henry's kati bamuzuuku bamukenya
ati St Henry's Kitovu yembi
andi yasomera mu Kalala nga aparetinga ngo we Kitovu kakati bamukola ekintu kimu nti mutwale bakazi bamwe mu doomu
jemwasulanga ngatamanyi
kwe gundi nga tojja amundu le friend of Kitovu bakukubi baba
ngatajukira ndobe tumu yasula
kakati today me am not opposed to these people, but what I'm saying, the higher the risk, the dividends, what do we get from them? America for the twin negotiating because the president says we intervene in African matters for Pan-Africanism, and because we were also given a kick by Nyerere. Kakati fecho volaba nti amanga gonna gukigagenda kanyaga kulanda mumabbayemba uye Museveni yaganti nze Congo nateyo mukko. A country cannot intervene. That's why we drain our economies. Tanzania yafuka bankrupt kubanga Nyerere yakuliranga ku Pan-Africanism, accommodated all of these people. At one time the soldiers wanted to overthrow Nyerere, spending resources on the liberation of Africa. Ambassador wa Tanzania yasinza amanye South Africa. Bana abana bano abagenzo okubba abazulu ne batwalayo obugologosi ne batwalayo kiri bakola amayemba agogera oluzungu sibe balese motoka wana tena msekwata what chiche tufunye nnyo mu sacrifice because Museveni moves on Pan-Africanism. Is he now going to move on Americanism?
Kubanga Pan-Africanism tulaba mu America ati tulaba mu Afghanistan.
Then they should pay us. America ye ineddagala erisinga okubeera effective ku COVID erituwe
tutereka abantu baabwe
you people you don't know
negotiation we eriawo
abazungu bagezi
mulete bano refugees na
abazungu balimba abawana ti Commonwealth mukole ebitanda kasanvu Commonwealth obalambale titwali tuvudde Malta baliyo bameka Commonwealth eri mu India eri mu Canada eri mu New Zealand eri mu nsi ekyendala engaga ne Singapore ambaza Prime Minister wa Bungereza asula ku embassy ye ajana baki is only helped us to showcase and these hotels chokolaba bali abasajja bagezi ba businessmen babagamba nedda mugule shares muno mu hotels emutukambi okuzimba ono webwe bajja Bukenya yagamba president nti we need a hotel yobwe bajja because journalists want to be near the airport. Journalists want to be near the airport. Do we send our news in parcels to be near the airport?
President Gayamudam
ero mukyalo yuze na mwagala nnyo ate buli wansanga ampa sente ampa doolo y'omukazi w'egundi oyo yagamba president fete tugenda kwegayirira, if you want to pay us pay, if not tell us tutegere nti eyo loss mumwajjana ne mutugamba tuzimbe ekintu kino ndozive ekyo wali bakigula kuba nali mbatwalidde akigula omuwalabu naye bagamba baba gavumenti yakibagulako kino ekyebwe bajja yes
jibaitanga JM
kakati tubafunamu kyate high risk. Our negotiating team should tell them we want drugs,
vaccine.
America obulidwa jobatwala, nobody can accommodate these people because they are high risky. And these are the regime. These are the people who have been sustaining the American regime. And it's not America alone, it's in NATO tuyamba NATO to accommodate high risky people. In 30 years, with the relaxation of our security, we shall get bomb planted. Uganda badde inabateze ba bomb. Kalicheza fetizikiza mkuteka bomb. We don't have Arabs here. We don't have Yes.
Tuleta batezi ba bomb.
In future baja kumeritinga. Bano bali mugundi kuba onogundi wa red paper sensationalizing. Uganda ni many are waiting for this. Ka usobra kwa somwala bogwe. Uganda ni singe ba wala women for the first time.
Njaba jinga ba ono chibogera ko chaka. Aba bale bawase.
Eyo intelligence. Asinza kiteka ku intelligence. Agamagezi tebagayina. Nti where are you going to get? These are high class. These are people who have been sustaining the regime. The ordinary refugee fled to Pakistan, to neighboring countries. But these are people who have been supporting the American government. America cannot take them home. America cannot take them to Saudi Arabia. America cannot take them to Pakistan. They are here. We have accepted. But under what conditions?
America tebaina boye jitawanya.
Baba nonya.
Ekizibu bachi.
Era nabagambye Katonda atuletere ebintu. Omanyi ba researchers bagamba nti Uganda lusuku ologerwa ku Bible.
Edeni.
Yes. Why?
Edeni yali wano.
Let me tell you.
Ba researcher bagamba.
This Papa John Paul II ba ancestors be bazikibwa Kiyindi. Do you know that we have a good cemetery in India about Poland?
Hey, John Money yako from 2005.
At one time they had decided to carve off the Karamoja to give it to settle the Jews. When you go to Mbala Bayudaya, we buy Bayudaya,
Jebali. COVID Yamuse.
Bali Bagala Karamoja is as big as Belgium. Why did Western Nile carved from Congo to us in 1903? Timuchimanyi. I think Timuchimanyi. It is even rumored. And the Queen was brought during the Second World War. Nebamukweka munoza ni Uganda. Why are this? Chibagambi santino yachi. Edeni. Kakati fe tetunagana. Atobu silwabwe. If the refugees are easy to marry, how many you abanyarwanda mbagala nnyo?
Aba Ethiopia bali wano.
Era nabagamba.
Aba Ethiopia bali wano.
The intelligence ya Uganda ngisekerera. President Kagame omusajja omukambwe nemugenda nga buli lwakutaano nemujja abawale emboseera nemubateeka mu hoteli mugundi mubendeko ate bbaala esinga okubeera kuleeta abanyarwanda ng'erinanyi balakisi y'emakindi. Are these commandos? Are these spies or ordinary prostitutes? Nti Kagame akukkirize bw'oleeta abanyarwanda bw'osiika sirimu, do they go back or they merit in society?
Tebabazayo.
Ani abazayo. Basi zile.
Ayo bali. Tebendera wabwe.
The issue is not ejije mikisa ja Museveni. Tekati Bobi Wine asobola kuvuma America. Museveni mu political science.
Babu zadda ntulacha America tebabatwala wabwe.
Mu political science
batugamba lingi nnyo.
Business, soccer and political science, politics, leadership is lack. Nti Besigye bwe yavaano n'agenda mu America ne bamukwatako election kikyamulondoola ne bakuba Twin Towers
in 2001
abasajja ne badda ku domestic politics. Besigye yakomawo ng'ogusima ebbumba kati Bobi Wine babadde bamuwanika kakati ono guno afunye. The only country that can accommodate these people is here because we are risk takers.
Woma 2001 yalaga aba cyali eyo ngako Twin Towers bali bagati tuveko ne badda kwebera okunonya bakwete
era nabagamba nti gundi ajja kuyimirirawo mawo mukatabo kange ne badde nkasoma eggulu ne Bobi Wine agenda kuyimirirawo naye ajja batawanyanyo kuba bakapa wa parliament kuba bamuwa sente kuleeta bakapa parliament nopu yize n'alMOB. Kakati nenkugamba nti Besigye tagenda kuyimirirawo. Museveni ataddewo probes nyingi mu government ezirwanyisa corruption bebabadde bamuwa sente. International community badde muwa sente yajinyiza bwe yagaana okukkiriza Mbabazi amulekere nga Gordon Brown yabatuuzizza Besigye n'agaana ekitegeeza tasuubirayo sente za dafu nezibadde z'ababbi baawano ababba
abaliko probe.
Kakati ate Museveni azitaddeko ki
ngaziriko mu problem
chokola mu musajja yakugambi tewamulide ndi Museveni natuuka mu kalulu nasiba sente zange zonna ne mukubira simu
mpangudde
ndi mpangudde
mpaka sente
mpaka zende
zigulirawo okondiyeko
ndigulirawo yazisiba kawati nze tumi
zigulirawo okondiyeko
ate nasanyuse kubanga nze ntunulira ebintu nti we are likely to have ekyo singa kimwogera nti mwanegotiations in America to give us drugs. The way I'm seeing things, I think my earlier suggestion nti the military should involve itself in vaccination, massive vaccination. I'm seeing it. I was reading in one of the newspapers nga batulaga bayise bati vaccinate polichwalingi kundi ngerika yebali
anti-war enemies ayebare Adonia abagundu wa for New York ayebare
if we are keeping these risky people nga chetukwenda okufuna mu dagala
so
Museveni negotiating na America batuwechi
batudagala kasaba teteko
kinge bano nainga tuine kinene kitukoze echi this not time for pan-africanism
era tewali pan-africanism
yes these are not pan-africanism
kati diru
they no deal ya sente
tukole bukozi diru mwereza sente zinali emere yabwe yefu mutwedde
kubanga countries do them Kenya yabalanga ne mu budget nga yemeri yaze mu Mombasa bichi yajangawo annually nga basibala ne mu budget prostitutes used to move from Congo nga bano bonna bamalaya tobalabawo bagenda kwenda remember when these people the Americans had an operation in Congo nga Costa twakola send Costa mu America omunene jena jitula mu bwomu did the people complain about the American base in Entebbe? It was beneficial. What about the Japanese? The Americans have over 30,000 soldiers stationed in Japan. Why are the Japanese not demonstrating? Ate nibo battu omuntu no Americans have been subjected to a foreign hero era kotimasevaawa tebatta bantu. Why is it that South Korea is accommodating 40,000 American troops? The source of income. At one time America had 350,000 soldiers in Germany.
So
why didn't the Germans fight? Let us take a risk of these highly risky people.
So how does Museveni's being a master of reverse psychology working?
And kachigani. This is America. Kategwe chigani. America kubla listing.
Ke America yakwenda
president. Kuberawo. Sigo alikoze eki andi Museveni kakati bano
government ya Museveni
waloza andi Museveni okwegana bano abagunda bano abadde bakuba abantu emboko abadde tabalaba kati ate America timitiriyo nze studying America
ngatumalirize
America ina cheyita regime change n'engagement nabagandi Museveni zebasobola mujja kokati Museveni is a stabilizer in spite of the this wound, human rights wound. They never spin the doctors to never government special forces bagiteka mu abantu and is operated on force orders. Balimba Museveni ajangambe mbawe mu record ya meeting nga bagamba tumulimbe at Westend ti abana babubi bene bagenda ko chechibuka. If you operated on force orders abantu bafaire bakwatire bakola iki get spin doctors. America yakuba banko omuli abakazi n'abaana nga Saddam agitaddeko emundu ne balugamba nti Saddam yaliwo. What happened? Ejazera bwe yabikuba bagikuba America targeted America gun but because they have spin doctors bo batambula nabyo. You can solve this issue of human rights by using spin doctors. Nite mubayina muroza mufetujja kujja tubakolere bwerere.
So kati Museveni ku kino abadde baganti ne government ye eri legitimate ya kubulu kati
ngugambi
kati Biden yali legitimate
let me give you ngogamba Rwanda is stable on the surface. How can you have a stable country when 60% of the population is in diaspora? Chovula bakagame yabivako nagati oba tulina twagira Mungu oba tulina bizimungu abakutu badduka kanekwatiremu. Southern Sudan is in a mess. Why? But you have said babala. If you have a successful independent Southern Sudan, Darfur road agitate chibanyiye
10 years later
independence.
10 years later
Kenya the battle between president ne deputy we kubanga bone Kenya tewali mupya yes with their record of 207 is Kenya a stable country ekitegeza kuyizi
kadi rute njiri jatambula kuya bane mu
ani stabilizer mu Africa mu region muno kati ani stabilizer Abamerika bayinza mujja bo bayita bashiru
tibabulwa
anti ani stabilizer
tibabulwa Sodoiza mujyo
bino gundi ndinkubulidde bano tubafune muleme kudambya busiru ndi we are waiting nibakuba n'ebifaananyi
tugenda bawo
abali balaba emmotoka z'empaka lady paper yabakubye mu their way they can be even scared that these people will grab us on arrival at the airport
baribo babisoma bayizoroga tugenda mu nsiko tugenda usajja bayizoro
tugajambula
bajja tugajambula usajja biri bagenda
baruvu anti baba briefinga
national guidance
tibaba briefing no Museveni bwabakola ebintu yabikola yekka kakati abo tibamanyi nobody except we abasoma international relations the interaction of states and non-state actors in the international arena zentula wansi nensadinga and what does Museveni want to achieve because every decision is purposeful
tebakompa but wali mukukuna kutamana mirundi zajagenda sema kwa zikusoka kusawa emuna ichunu za mchaka na kona kurwaliro temujango kumkama tukumine tumena nchisimu kama mweraba